What's going on, y'all? Hope everything is good. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Just want to talk about this projects, guys. Here, guys, in DC, the infamous Corals projects. Look what they did to it, guys. Look what's happening. They doing this all across all major cities in the United States. They turned part of this into a senior citizens affordable assisted living for the elderly, guys. For any of you guys familiar with Washington D.C., you familiar with Corals, guys? You know Corals projects, infamous for weed strip, infamous for all types of drugs, guys. I'm gonna show you what they doing to it, guys. Look, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you, guys. Give me a second, guys. I'm telling you guys, get in real estate, guys. Get into real estate. Look at all that development right there. They done tore all them projects down, guys. They done tore all the projects down, guys. They done tore all the projects down, guys. Now look what they done did, guys. Look what they done did. They getting all the projects, guys. They getting all the projects. This is why you need to invest in real estate, guys. This is why you need to invest in real estate, guys. This is why you need to invest in real estate. Look. All this used to be the projects. They done tore it all down, guys. They done tore it all down, guys. Look. Building condos, townhomes, guys. Look, guys. Look. Look, guys. The infamous Corals, guys. Boarded up. Let me tell you something, guys. This used to be notorious for all the drugs in the world, guys. The biggest biggest weed strip, guys, in Washington D.C. All boarded up, guys. And look what they doing. Look what they doing. Gentrification is real, guys. It's real, guys. This is why you need to get in real estate, guys, because you get in early, guys. You get in early. You get in early, guys. While before the gentrification comes, you got to see it. You got to have a vision. These places that are like 5 minutes from downtown, guys, you know that they come to get them. No matter what city you're in, guys. Anyone who's watching this video, guys, if you're in a major city that's in the hood, that's about 5 to 10 minutes from downtown, I don't care what property you buy. Any multifamily property you buy is going to pay off, guys, in the end. It's going to pay off in the end, guys, because I'm telling you, they get in all major cities. They get in all major cities. Look, guys, stay blessed, guys. Let me get back at you. Stay blessed and invest. And this is to see. Before I get off, guys, see, this is DC is becoming more and more flooded with people, so they need housing. That's why they're building all these multifamily units, guys. They need housing. It helps the economies of scales, guys. But production, you know, brings in people who can live, you know, they can live affordably, because a lot of these gonna be affordable living. A lot of these gonna be affordable living, guys. I'm out, guys. Stay blessed and invest. All this development going on, guys. All this development going on. They tore down the projects, guys. They tore down the projects. You can see, guys, all this development going on. It's actually a good thing and a bad thing, guys. A good thing that it cleans up the neighborhood. A bad thing that they displace a lot of people, which makes it a bad thing. But hey, you know, black people gotta start doing better. You know, gotta start doing better. You know, I'm out. Stay blessed and invest.